99% of you guys are going to fall for the trap. Bitcoin holders, prepare right now. With that said, hit the like button, subscribe for daily Bitcoin analysis. I will be doing a price prediction as well. With that said, let's get right into it. So, on the daily time frame, or actually the hourly time frame, we have been creating this descending channel, which is a bearish price movement. As you guys can see, we have been stuck in this. We are near this major support. If we break down, guys, it's going to get crazy if we do, and it's going to get very bearish. Now, yes, we do have low volume with a descending channel, which is bearish. But if we take a look right here in the hourly time frame with the RSI, we are creating a bullish divergence, meaning on the hourly time frame, we should expect a price move to the upside, possibly around this area for liquidation purposes. So what do I expect the next few hours? Well, I expect Bitcoin to pump right here briefly, and then we're going to see a rejection to the downside, and we're going to be testing this area of support, which is very key, because if we break down, guys, well, it's going to get very bearish for the Bitcoin price. Now, as I said, we have this major support. If I scope out right here on the daily time frame, this is a key support. It's a sentimental support. If we break below it, guys, we should expect a Bitcoin price below $20,000. Yes, as you guys know from the past, previously before the FTX situation, we were consolidating around this area. And before the FTX situation, we did manage to pump, try to break through this key resistance of around 21,600. Guys, we need to be aware of the $21,600 price range. If we break below, this is going to get very bearish. But moving on to what I'm saying, yes, we did manage to pump, but then got rejected. And as you guys can see, the FTX situation played out, and then we just saw this massive dump. Now, later on, guys, as you guys know, we did see this rally to the upside to 24,000 before getting rejected. Now we're testing this area that once was resistance is now support. We're going to see how long this will hold around this area. Now, what is next for Bitcoin? Well, we should expect, as I said, a price move to the upside around the 21,900 for liquidation purposes, because on the hourly time frame, yes, we are creating a bullish divergence, but as I said, we are going to retest, get rejected, and then ultimately on this specific date, we will find out if Bitcoin decides to bounce off the resistance or support to the upside, or are we going to see a massive dump? As you guys know, on Tuesday, February 14th, we are going to find out the CPI data for January, which is very important, because if things are good, we should expect a massive pump to the upside. It will get very bullish for the Bitcoin price. Now, if we take a look right here, this is what I expect to happen if things go well on Tuesday. I expect a retest right here and then a rejection, and we're just going to be consolidating around this area. But by Tuesday, we should expect, if things go well, a price pump. Now, I do expect the price to pump above 24,000 because it would be very bullish. But if things go south and it gets worse, inflation is actually getting higher, well, I do expect to break below this very easily, because it will be very bearish for the Bitcoin price and for the S&P 500. As you guys know, we do follow the S&P 500, so we need to pay attention, because right now we are in a situation where we're seeing a red candle, so we need to be aware of that, as I said. And yes, as you guys can see, we have been heading down lately, so we need to be aware of that for the Bitcoin price. But I just wanted to make this very clear. Yes, we should expect a price for the Bitcoin to move up around 21,900 before getting rejected. Just because we're on the smaller time frame, we are creating this bullish divergence. But don't be surprised, guys. Don't fall into the trap. Right now, we must wait until February 14th, which is when the CPI data comes out for January. With that said, guys, hit the like button, subscribe for daily Bitcoin analysis. I just wanted to make this very clear. Don't fall for the trap, and peace.